Hey guys, it's Roya, and today I'll be talking about gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts one mass to another, and it's what keeps us attracted to the Earth. So say this is the Earth right here, and we have a protagonist named Mike standing on the top of the world. Now, Mike needs to get in shape, so he's going to run around, and he's going to go half the circumference of the globe during his workout. And suddenly, he's standing all the way down here. Now, without gravity, you would think that maybe Mike would start, falling off or drifting away from the Earth. And if he didn't tuck in his shirt, well, that's inappropriate for high school students, so we won't go there. But basically, he'd keep going and going and going. Fortunately, there are people who live at the, quote, bottom of the Earth, exactly on the opposite side of where you are sitting right now. And they are kept on the Earth by a force called gravity, which again keeps two masses attracted to each other. Now, gravity, or the force of gravity, so this is the symbol for force, equals the gravitational constant G times mass 1 times mass 2 over r squared. And the gravitational constant is just a constant number that never changes, and it works in any situation when dealing with gravity. Now, if we were to have two objects here, one little one and one big one, the masses would be mass m and mass m, and you see one's little and one's big, and the radius would be the distance between their centers, not between their edges. So it would be the distance from this red point to this red point. Now, we see here that the force of gravity is increased when the masses are increased. So this scenario here is going to have a much greater force of gravity than this scenario here, if we separate these. Now, it's also inversely related to the square of the radius. So this scenario here has a very long radius. However, if we were to redraw it over here, with the masses much closer together, this would experience the strongest force. So in order of the forces that are strongest to weakest, we can label them. This would be the strongest force here, number 1. This would be the second strongest, and this would be the weakest. And this is all based upon mass and radius.